Welcome to eCash YouTube channel. eCash YouTube channel is a channel that teaches you how to make money online and teaches you the latest techniques whereby you can make money from the comfort of your home without wasting much of your time. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so to subscribe to get latest updates on how to make money online. Today, I'll be teaching you how you can make money by working as an online POS agent in Nigeria and in some other countries. This particular technique works for countries who have their Bitcoin banned by the government. You know, in Nigeria, a few months ago, the federal government banned the use of cryptocurrencies. What this means in Nigeria is that big companies coming to invest in Nigeria, let's say companies like Binance and etc., they cannot open a bank account in Nigeria. Are you understanding me? What it means is that these big companies can no longer open a bank account in Nigeria, because for you to open a bank account in Nigeria as a company, you need to state the type of business you are into. And Nigerian government has banned Bitcoin businesses the same way like other countries, like some part of China and etc. Most countries of the world have banned the use of Bitcoin. But Bitcoin are still used in those countries. How? It is called peer to peer. Like before the ban of Bitcoin, what this company does is that they come to the country they want to do business with, open a business bank account, deposit billions of dollars or millions of dollars into the bank accounts. Those deposits from their own official bank account will help them to sell and purchase Bitcoin, so that the people using their platform can directly from their bank account purchase and sell their Bitcoin. But with the ban of Bitcoin, those things will no longer be able to work, because the government is no longer accepting Bitcoin transactions, and CBN has given order to all the whole banks to close Bitcoin companies and Bitcoin bank accounts. So what I'm saying all these things is for you to understand what I'm trying to let you know today. So today I'll be teaching you how to make up to 1 million naira monthly working as an online POS agent. I'll be teaching you on a Bitcoin slash crypto company called Reminato. To get this, all you have to do is go to Google search. You can see it from my phone. Go to Google search, type in Remitano. Remitano, it has an app and it has a website. Now, if you don't want to go there, you can go to your Apple Play Store and search for Remitano. Remitano app. That is it. This is the application that you're going to use to make money. Now, all you have to do is, after registering on your Remitano, you go ahead and register your account. This is my Remitano profile. All you have to do is register by providing your email, your phone number, and lately you provide your national ID card for verification. Now, Remitano is an online Bitcoin exchange that is either highest in Africa or maybe second to Binance and all that, but it is one of the best crypto exchanges in the world. What you have to do in Remitano is that, as Nigerian government has banned them from opening a bank account to enable their transaction, but in reality people still actually need Bitcoin. Are you getting me? People purchase cryptocurrencies, not only Bitcoin, all of them. People purchase it on daily basis. But these companies cannot open their own bank account in any country that has its Bitcoin services banned. But they still need to, operate and let people buy, and sell Bitcoin. Now, for you to make money on Reminato or Binance, all you have to do is, after registering and submitting your details and verifying your account with a national ID card, all you have to do is to click on NGN agents. Like from this is my dashboard. I have not, let me check if I can log in. Although I logged in before, I don't know what happened. So while the login page loads, all you have to do is on your, okay, it is opened. My distance should be saved. My distance should be saved. It should be saved. It's like I was logged out. All you have to do is on your dashboard, you can see N on the N option. You see liquidity, you see NGN agency. This NGN agency means that you will work as a Nigerian agent for the Minato. Like I told you before, the government has banned them from, from opening bank account or pressing Bitcoin, but they still need deposits. So all they now do is to hire people that can help them to facilitate these Bitcoin withdrawals and deposits in Nigeria, which is called peer-to-peer. But in Remitano, it is different because they hire you and they pay you monthly, percentage based on all the whole transaction you have done on your account. Now let me click on NGN agent. For you to become an NGN agent, this fiat currency agent works for countries who has their Bitcoin banned. Yes, all you have to know what is a GN agent is you support, you can see it here, who is an NGN agent. It's a guy who supports trader depositing and withdrawing tokens. Your selling agent will support this and that and this and that. You can read this from there. The training is for you to make this. All you have to do is you create both buy and sell ad. You can see from up to 10% to 100% return on investment. So all you have to do is after registering your Remitano account and logging in, all you have to do is create your selling ad and also buying ad. Your selling ad will help for the users to deposit money. Like I told you, if users want to buy Bitcoin, they can through your bank account. Maybe you send them or they send to you, then you help them to fund their Remitano account. I'm just explaining for you to understand how it works. Then they pay you percentage on all the whole transactions that are being done on your account. From the last time that I checked and I contacted their customer service, it pays 3% on all the whole transaction that you run in a day. Last month I earned up to 2.2 million naira on it. What this means is that, like, if you register as an AGN agent, you have to be online 24/7 to receive alert, because if people want to buy Bitcoin, Remitano will notify you, then they send you the bank accounts of those person. Then either they send the money to your account, then you use your own Bitcoin to kind of fund those people's wallet. It is merely peer-to-peer. You are not charging anything. You can decide to work with those that uses your bank accounts. The money is still your money. You just once if someone wants to withdraw Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, they will send the Bitcoin to your Remitano account. Then you, from your own Nigerian bank account, transfer the money to them. It is safe and easy and everyone can do it. All you need to have is, like, you have money one in your bank account, and also you have money in your Remitano account, which you will use to fund and allow transfer of crypto assets. Now, if you are able to run 1 million transactions in a day, let's say that you started this with 50k, or let's say 100k, 50 in your bank account and 50 in your Remitano account, it is still your money. You can withdraw at any time. Now, let's say that in a day you run 1 million transactions. What this means is that maybe someone gets you alert that they want to buy Bitcoin worth 200k or 100k or 20k. You help them to withdraw and deposit the Bitcoin. You recycle it. Another person, you have up to 100 transactions in a day, because there are many people that want to buy and sell and withdraw Bitcoin. And the one important thing about this is that many people are not aware of it yet. So you still have a lot of opportunity to utilize in making money, working as an online crypto POS agent. That why I call it POS is that it works like POS. It's just your money, and you are just using your money to facilitate withdrawal and deposit, just like normal POS agents do it. So, and you your own commission at the end of the day, and your money you can decide to pull out at any time you want to pull out. So that is how it works. Then another thing about Remitano is that they pay you monthly commission, like I have said that before, and their customer service is, they are fantastic. That they are the best I have seen so far. They reply instantly, and you can message them live on any of their platforms, even on the app or on their website. So by creating okay, I'm wasting time so that I don't forget to share any important update with you. So that is how you make money on Remitano, working as an online POS agent. It is free. You don't have your bank account will not be affected by the government, because government won't even know. It's just like you're withdrawing money, sending transferring money to people transferring money to you in the Remitano app, sending and receiving cryptocurrency to to different people. And one good thing is that when you're performing your transaction on the bank account, you must inform the crypto buyers not to include anything that is related in the narration. It is easy and it is safe. I have done it, and I made a lot of money from it, and I'm still doing it. So all you have to do is download your Remitano app, register. In the description, I'll provide a link for you where you use in registering for the Remitano. And after registering, you fund your account, create the buying and selling agent to work as an agency with your money. You fund your account, then leave some in your bank account. That is it. At the end of the month, you receive your commission. You don't have any business with anyone. And another update is that this job is tasking, because you must meet your monthly target. If Remitano can maybe recommend you for a transaction, because you get update and alert from the app that someone wants to buy from you. If you're not meeting up, like up to you're not meeting up to 99% of all the whole notifications for buying and selling crypto that they send to you, it means that you're not serious with the job, and they might decide to withdraw your agency and decide to start doing business with you. What it means is that you have to be online 247 with your with your data on, to know when you receive a notification to buy or to sell crypto using your app. And another good thing about it is that you can decide to stop work at any particular, if you want to stop, maybe you want to sleep, or today you are off, or you are kind of busy in a day that you wouldn't be chance to trade. All you have to do is to go to your dashboard, then you disable your selling ad. Like you created the ad, you can click a pause on it for for any amount of time that you want. What it means is that at that moment, people will no longer see your buying and selling ads. That means you don't want to do business at that particular time. It is free and anyone can do it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more updates. Thank you.